Have you stopped wearing open-toe shoes or sandals because you're embarrassed by the condition of your feet? Good news! You can easily fix dry, cracked heels using items you probably already have at home. 1. Banana. You probably have a few bananas on your kitchen counter right now. The solution to dry, cracked feet has been within reach all along. Bananas naturally hydrate the skin and are rich in vitamins A, B6, and C, which support skin elasticity and moisture retention. Simply mash 2 ripe bananas into a smooth paste. Make sure they are fully ripe, as unripe bananas contain acids that can irritate the skin. Rub the paste all over your feet, including the toes and around the nails. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse with clean water. Repeat nightly for 2 weeks or until you're happy with the results. 2. Listerine and vinegar. It may sound like an odd pairing, but here's why it works. Listerine contains thymol and alcohol, which help combat toenail fungus, heal cracked skin, and treat plantar warts. Vinegar, thanks to its mild acidity, softens rough, dry, and dead skin. Combined, they create an ideal remedy for achieving soft, healthy feet. To try it yourself, mix 1 cup of Listerine, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 2 cups of water. Soak your feet in this solution for 15 minutes, then gently scrub with a pumice stone to remove dead skin. Rinse with clean water, pat dry, and apply moisturizer. Repeat once a week until you get the desired results. 3. Honey. Often added to masks and scrubs, honey works wonders even on its own. It's a natural humectant that draws moisture from deeper skin layers to the surface, creating a plumping effect that supports healing. To use it, add 1 cup of honey to a tub of warm water. Soak your clean feet in it and gently massage for 20 minutes. Afterwards, exfoliate with a pumice stone, pat dry, and apply a rich foot cream. For best results, do this nightly before bed as a soothing ritual. 4. Vegetable oil. Your skin readily absorbs vegetable oils, which are rich in vitamins A, D, and E that nourish and promote cell renewal. To see the results yourself, wash your feet thoroughly, dry them with a soft towel, and apply a generous layer of vegetable oil to your heels and toes. For the best results, leave the oil on overnight by wearing clean, comfortable socks. Incorporate this into your bedtime routine. Your feet will become as smooth as a baby's skin. 5. Vaseline and lemon juice. A surprising but effective combination. Start by soaking your feet in warm water for 20 minutes. After drying them, mix 3 to 4 drops of freshly squeezed lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. Apply the mixture to the cracked areas, put on wool socks, and leave it overnight. In the morning, wash your feet with warm water. Vaseline locks in moisture, while the citric acid in lemon juice encourages skin renewal. Regular use will leave your feet looking refreshed every morning. 6. Baking soda. Baking soda is a powerful exfoliant that dry feet need. It sloughs off dead skin cells, provides anti-inflammatory benefits, and even neutralizes odors. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to a tub of warm water, stir well, and soak your feet for 15 minutes. After soaking, scrub with a pumice stone, rinse with clean water, and dry thoroughly. For the best results, use this treatment twice a week. 7. Aloe vera gel. Known for its skin healing properties, aloe vera works wonders on your feet, too. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and E, powerful antioxidants, and also has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic effects. First, soak your feet in warm water and exfoliate with a pumice stone. Then, dry them, apply a thick layer of aloe vera gel, and slip on cotton socks before bed. In the morning, rinse with lukewarm water. Repeat nightly for 4 to 5 days to see noticeable improvement. Do you have your special foot care tips? Please share them with us in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to stay on the bright side, be sure to subscribe to our channel.